Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Susu cingo lwami, suka DM yami, suka emva kwami. Wangibhalisa yonke iminyaka, ungibluthi kungangina, ungihlekisa ngabangani, ungithathisa kwehla. Kodwa buka manje, I am nothing but a star. Usuvukile umalamba. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Yeah. Back in primary school, I fell in love with Charlie. She was smart, working hard, and had more goals than Ushalulile. She told me I'm way out of her league. I wish I could understand how that made me feel. It was like I live under her feet. I was just a little nigga, could not even control my emotions. All I knew was how to use my big D. I didn't even know how to write and make hits. The shit she did got me all over my feels. Wasted my mommy's money for school fees. I ended up repeating a grade. She made me an everyday joke to these kids. I went from loving to hating that bitch. Rejection, it's hard swallowing that pill. She saw me on TV and started searching me. She's all over my DM, she begging for my attention. She bringing the trauma back. Sorry sis, usongibangela stuff. Kodwa bafethu lo mntwana namyeka. She's still beautiful like that. She got the most fattest ass. She look like she ain't from this planet, like she mothered angels. But I ain't gonna get fooled by all that. Looks like deceiving, I'm bad. Eish, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Susu cingo lwami, suka DM yami, suka emva kwami. Wangibhalisa yonke iminyaka, ungibluthi kungangina, ungihlekisa ngabangani, ungithathisa kwehla. Kodwa buka manje, I am nothing but a star. Usuvukile umalamba. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. I used to crash it like fucking week. Used to be on my mind every hour, every day, every fucking week. Every time I let my eyes on, I felt so fucking weak. I prayed to God a lot that it become mine. Every night I was on my fucking knee. Now I shot my shot at Ghana's toy, what a fucking lease. Could not access you no more like a spite fucking league. You told me I'm way out of your league. Can't be seen in public with me. I wear Mr. Price jeans. You fuck with niggas who wear raw diesel wax jeans. You even told me I don't own a pair of Yeezys. Now let's just catch, I'm going through a lot of socio-economic disadvantages. How did I even allow myself to be? But one thing about him, feel my G, feel like G, my jealousies. She's like DSTV Premier League, and I'm more like Champions League. Now you're just another random bitch. The funny thing is, you are number one on the list of random bitches.
Let me tell you, lately I'm so wavy. No way you can hate me. I drip so heavy. You me, I'm a bad bitch. You me, I'm a baddie. And you sure I'm a baddie. You shall see some of my teeth on the cleat. They the shit from the jumps. Sisi, hot, Hambeck tea. Ask us a shouting. I'll salbona salwada like him. In my sis. Wabangati sis. I don't need your pussy, please. Now you fucking crave me. All of a sudden you calling me daddy. As if I put inside of mama's belly. You really must be crazy, bitch.
Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah. Sisi Ngceluzbambe, yeah.